These MOHTOL crisper drawers are a perfect fit. They are a reliable replacement for your old ones. My old Kenmore Fridge Drawer 240,337,103 was cracked. It was like a spider web. This 2-pack solved my problem. Installation was simple. You just slide them in. Furthermore, they feel sturdy. They are not flimsy at all. I was impressed by the quality. This is a great value. Also, they keep my produce fresh. My fruits and vegetables stay crisp. This is essential for good eating. Consequently, I highly recommend them. The original drawer had seen better days. It was cloudy and brittle. This new Kenmore Fridge Drawer 240,337,103 is crystal clear. It's like looking through new glasses. It really brightens up the fridge. Moreover, the design is identical. There are no weird gaps. It fits perfectly. The material feels durable. It seems like it will last, therefore I anticipate many years of use. It's a small change, yet it makes a big difference. My refrigerator feels new again. Finding the right part can be tricky, but this MOHTOL set is spot on. It's compatible with many models. This includes Frigidaire and Kenmore. So, if you need a Kenmore Fridge Drawer 240,337,103, look no further. Additionally, the price is fair. You get 2 drawers. This is a smart purchase. Overall, it's a fantastic replacement. It breathes new life into your refrigerator. Thus, your food will thank you. I am very satisfied. Pros: fit refrigerator perfectly, reasonably priced, sturdy, perfect fit, better quality than original, great value, same weight and sturdiness as originals, excellent purchase, worked as expected, easy and fast shipping, super good quality, arrived quickly, well made, easy to install, good price, speedy delivery. Cons: perfect fit, reasonably priced, sturdy, better than original, excellent purchase, fast shipping, good quality, great value. Features: comes in a convenient 2-pack, replaces Frigidaire crisper drawer, compatible with Kenmore fridges, matches part number 240,337,103, also replaces a P2,115,741, fits 240,337,100 model, works for 240,337,102 model, easy to install replacement, designed for refrigerators, durable crisper drawer. This MOHTOL 2-pack offers replacement crisper drawers for your fridge. They work with many Frigidaire and Kenmore models. The drawers replace part numbers like 240,337,103, AP2,115,741, 240,337,100, and 240,337,102. They are durable and easy to install. This crisper drawer replacement, compatible with Frigidaire and Kenmore refrigerators, is a well-made and sturdy option that many users found to be a perfect fit and even better quality than the original part. It's praised for being reasonably priced, offering great value, and arriving quickly, making it an excellent purchase that's easy to install and works exactly as expected.